Hey, thanks for watching Brent Speed TV. I'm Brent, and today we're gonna dyno a 20 GT that we just installed, the Roush Phase 2 Supercharger system, flywheel rated at 750 horsepower. We did a couple other mods as well. We're gonna go over it. So hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify, stay up to date to watch cool dyno videos, shop tour videos. Doug, let's go down and check it out. Okay, before we go down and take a peek, like I said, it's a 20 GT. It's an auto running 93 octane with the Roush 50 state legal calibration. So it's just a supercharger kit, load the Roush calibration on, made killer power. Most of these cars make, depending on manual or auto, right out of the box, stock exhaust and everything. We're looking at 640, 650 rural horsepower. This is what I would call a little bit of a high producer, laying down 675. We did build an oil pump gear and sprocket. We did do a DSS carbon fiber drive shaft, which will contribute a little bit to the higher rural horsepower than normal. Don't come down here and take a look. It's the Roush, it's a Phase 2, it's a 2650. So it's not the old 2300 anymore. On 18 and newer, it's a 2650. TVS supercharger, front inlet, you get the sweet air induction system. It's a complete turnkey package, fuel injectors and all. Of course it's intercooled, and we did install on this the Roush coil covers. Now a lot of you see pictures of the Roush engine compartment, and you just assume these covers come with it. Doug, take a peek at those. No, that's an add-on. A lot of people don't want them, some people do. So rather than make you pay for something you don't want, you can just buy that separate. We do keep those in stock, and you know what? We keep these superchargers in stock as well. So if you want something like this installed, you just email quote@brentspeed.com or get on our website. We can ship it right to your door. Check that description, but right now, watch the dyno pull. All right, we're gonna check out the numbers, DynoJet SAE, but you know, this car is being a little bit of a pain on the dyno. As a stock Michelin's, that's something that's gonna have to be addressed. It was wanting to spin every time we were going wide open throttle. So we'd ease into it. Get on here, Doug. 675 rural horsepower, peaking at 6,600 RPM. Why'd we stop there? Actually would have went up higher than that, but we stopped there because that hits the factory Roush speed limiter, not engine rev limiter, speed limiter. Torque coming in at 538, peaking at 6,600 as well. Really sweet numbers on the DynoJet through an automatic on 93 octane, a little bit higher than normal. Doug, this is a really sweet car right here. Something else we did install is our Stage 2 anti-wheel hop package. I will put a link on that in the description. It includes about 4 or 5 BMR components. That, you know, basically what we're doing here is addressing the rear IRS, preventing wheel hop. It's a really pretty inexpensive way to do that. Improve traction, eliminate wheel hop, and we have the Roush Phase 2 Supercharger. Sweet car, it's a 2020 auto. Here's another cool thing. He also has a 3-valve Mustang, which you know we love those as well, that when he comes and picks this up today, he's bringing his 3-valve for a Paxton Novi 2200, Ford Racing manifold. So you know what? He's experiencing the best of both worlds. So I'm Brent from Brent Speed. That's the 2020 GT Roush TVS 2650 Phase 2 Supercharger coming in 750 flywheel horsepower. And don't forget, on a stock GT, they do include, for no charge, the 3-year, 36,000 mile Roush drivetrain warranty. Don't forget, leave that comment. I'll answer your questions. Email quote@brentspeed.com and say, what's it cost to get installed? And in that description, I'll put links to all the parts we just talked about. You can click on it. We can ship them right to your door. Thanks for watching.